Hello everyone, in this session we are going to learn SQL queries. So before understanding SQL queries, let's see what is databases. Databases is nothing but where the data is stored. Let's say we are going to take an example of library. So the databases may include all the book details like this, the ID of book, the name of such books, author, genre, and year published, and number of pages. Okay, so imagine we are a data detective. That is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Helps you to find hidden treasures of information in this database. It's like asking a robot librarian who is Alex to fetch, update, and organize data or organize books for you. So today let's explore the SQL world with some fun examples. So the first is select query. Before starting, let's meet Alex, who is the superhero librarian. Now Alex wants to see all the books in the library. So what he will do is he will write this query. Select star from books, where books is the name of the table. Okay, now what if the Alex only needs the name and author of all the books? So he will write this select name comma author from books. Books is nothing but the name of the table. Now, moving forward, what if there is a new book? Now, Alex adds a new book to the collection. So, for adding a new book into the database or the books table, we have the query that is insert into books, name comma author, values are Harry Potter and J.K. Rowling. So let me add this book in my database. So what will happen? The ID will become 4 and the name of the book is Harry Potter. Let me write it for you. Harry Potter. Let me zoom in. Okay. And the name of the author is J.K. Rowling. So we are going to add the name of the author. I hope this much is clear to everyone. Now, oops, I made some mistake. What if Alex made some mistake? The book session need to be updated, right? So I haven't added the genre and year published and number of pages. What if I add the genre of such books? So what I use is update, update books set. Here it will genre. Genre is fantasy, where name is equals to Harry Potter. What it does means is, first we have to see where clause. Where is a clause which is used in SQL. So we will first search for name is equals to Harry Potter. Here it is, right? So here we are going to update the genre as fantasy. Clear, right? Now, what if I want to delete a book, delete such books, if the book is damaged or if the book is lost? So, I have to delete that book from my database or from my book table. So, what I'll do is delete, a very simple query, delete from books where name is equals to Harry Potter. So as mentioned before, what I have to do, I have to search for name is equals to Harry Potter. Here I got it. So I'm going to erase this from my database. Very simple, right? So this is how we do queries in SQL. Select query, insert query, update and delete query. There are some more queries, like there is a query like limit, order by, and some more queries are there. So this is for today. Thank you so much for watching.